You love your Lucy, don't you, Zeke? Are you a good girl, Lucy? Can you shake? Shake? High five. So pretty. Oh, you're a good girl. See a good girl. Do you love Lucy? Do you love Lucy? You're just infatuated, aren't you? Oh, what? What do you want? Are you being left out? You're not left out. Do you love Lucy, Zeke? You do. I think Lucy loves you too. You gonna pick up? Oh, did you leave a seat? I think that was part of Lucy's treat. Did you just eat part of Lucy's treat? Or you spit it back out? Okay. She spit it back out. Oh, you guys are so precious. So precious. You're such a good girl, Lucy. That was a good girl. Well, you got your treats everywhere. What's there?